A Day in My Life as a Work-From-Home Mom, no longer a solo parent edition. Good day everyone! We're back to our routine dahil balik sa klase na nga si Jeff. It's crazy how 2 weeks fly so fast and it seems like a blink of an eye, but the good thing is within those 2 weeks marami ring nangyari. Nakapag-bonding kami ng family ko and I had more time to spend with them. Hindi ko kailangang sumabak sa traffic sa umaga and don't have to rush in cooking food for him while juggling ironing his uniforms. But I realized that those routines are just temporary and I would not complain about that anymore. It is a privilege for me to have the capability to prepare for my kid to school and send him there while nagtatrabaho ako sa bahay. And I would like to continue doing that dahil alam ko in the next few years, hindi na yan magpapahatid sa akin. There was even a time that we discussed na magko-commute na lang daw siya. Sabi niya sa akin, kaya na daw niya na mag-commute together with his classmates and he was ready. So probably in a year or two, hindi na ako maghahatid sundo sa kanya. Anyway, in the afternoon, it was my time to pick up Cookie na naiwan sa house ng parents ko at si Callie na dog ng sister ko. Sanay na talaga yan si Cookie na mag-commute at sumakay ng fast craft, while si Callie naman umiiyak pa kasi nag-a-adjust rin siya dahil puppy pa siya at hindi pa sanay na wala rin ang 4 parents sa tabi niya. We stopped by sa Korean Mart because I was craving buldak and beef strips and then picked up Jeff sa school. Naiwan mo na si Callie dito sa bahay dahil yung sister ko umalis pa at wala sa kanila, so hihintayin ko na lang na pick up rin siya dito ngayong gabi. Meanwhile, I also bought some veggies sa Korean Mart kasi may deal nga rin kami ni Alex na ililesen namin yung online food takeout at pagluto dito sa bahay ng healthier meals. Si Cookie after talaga sa biyahe, nagpapahinga lang yan at tila ba pagod din siya sa biyahe at ito pala ang feeling na may dalawa kang alagang aso. I was actually considering getting another dog para may kalaro rin si Cookie pero I realized na baka hindi na kailangan ng powers ko. Challenging rin kasi ang mag-alaga ng puppy at i-train ito. Kiber lang si Cookie na pinipet ko si Callie pero nung si Alex na ang naglalambing kay Callie ay nagselos na siya. Medyo clingy nga rin si Cookie sa papa niya at ayun, ayaw nang mawala sa eksena. Later that night ay naghanda na ako ng dinner namin. I just made some cucumber salad with tomatoes kasi New Year is gonna be a healthier journey for us. Let's see kung hanggang saan itong aming New Year's resolution kung aabot ba ng 1 buwan. Pero last year, I am so happy rin dahil I was able to eat healthier meals. Na-lesson rin yung food takeout ko online dahil na-inspire ako magluto sa bahay because of you guys. I'm also adding this white cheese and a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper and tossed it. Sa aking cooking pot naman ay nagluluto ako ng hot pot. Gumamit lang ako ng packed na ramen noodles, then added the beef strips na nabili ko sa Korean Mart and some cabbage at yung broth nito. Naglagay na ako ng maraming beef kasi alam ko ito talaga ang lalantakan ni na Alex at Jeff. I also added silken tofu to make it healthier and waited for it to boil and then we had dinner together. Wala nang choice si Alex at kung ano ang niluluto ko, kinakain lang rin niya. Gumawa rin ako ng peanut sauce na gusto ko talagang i-pair nitong hot pot, while si Jeff naman soy sauce lang ay okay na sa kanya. And then after dinner ay kailangan ko na nga rin magpahinga dahil balik na naman ako sa trabaho. And that's totally fine with me. Marami rin kasi akong nagastos last month so kailangan magtrabaho because bills are waiving. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!